Welcome dear learners. I am Dr. Balaji, currently working as Associate Professor in the School of Biotechnology at Jawaharlal Nehru University. I am going to give a brief information in this introductory video about the basics of organic chemistry course. Here I will be telling you how to register for the course, how we will be releasing the course materials and how you can actually access the course materials, what is the workload for the students, what is the 4-quadrant approach, and what is the support mechanism available for the student to learn. All these things I will be giving in this introductory video. This course was developed with the help from Consortium for Educational Communications, and they provided the technical support for development of this course. Those who are interested to learn the basics of organic chemistry can join this course. This is a 4-credit course. There are 40 modules that will be covered over a period of 15 weeks. In addition to that, to enhance your knowledge, we have more than 15 tutorial sessions where we talk about elaborate reaction mechanism, worked out examples and historical facts. I welcome you to join the course and take part in the wonderful journey of lifelong learning. Thank you.